Once you've created an account and clicked the New Appeal button, you must identify the property being appealed. Please be advised that every question followed by a red asterisk is required information, and you will not be allowed to proceed with your appeal if these questions are left blank. If you know your parcel number, simply click this button and enter it in the box below as it appears in the top right corner of your revaluation notice. If you do not know your parcel number, click the second button and enter the street number, direction, name, and abbreviation. As you enter this information, the program will automatically populate the field with matching data except for the street number. Once you've entered all fields, click the Next Step button. This will pop up a window to let you review the property information to make sure it is correct. The next step is to tell us about you, the filer. If you wish to correspond with the assessor's office electronically, you will need to provide your email address. If you prefer not to provide your email address, you may opt not to do so, but then all correspondence will occur via snail mail. To file an appeal on behalf of someone else, you must be an authorized agent of the owner. Authorized agents must download the BOR Agent Rep form. This form must be printed, signed, notarized, and submitted to proceed as an agent. If you are the property owner, click the Owner button and fill your first name, last name, and email if you're participating in the online process, as well as telephone number. Please be sure to verify your mailing address. If it is not correct, click this box to edit. Next, you must tell us about the property. The first piece of information we'll need is the property classification, as this will determine which LAT form you'll have to fill out. All residential properties with 4 or less units should check residential. The other options are for vacant land, apartments, commercial/industrial properties, and BOR 5 if you're appealing your business personal property valuation. In the next section, you must enter what you think the fair market value of the property's land is. Then, in the next box, what the structure is worth, followed by your reasoning for the change in value. Next, you'll fill out the form that corresponds to the property type you selected. In this example, we're doing an LAT1 residential form. As you can see, most of these fields are not marked with a red asterisk, meaning you do not have to fill in all of the information to proceed. However, the more information you provide, the better, as it will help us determine your property's fair market value. It is far more important that the information on this form is accurate than the form be completely filled out. If you do not know the answer to certain questions, it is better to leave them blank than to guess. However, you must provide the livable square footage of the property. You can find this information on your insurance documentation or from a private appraisal if you have one. Again, providing additional information below, such as the number of rooms, bathrooms, and the year the property was built, will all help us in determining the fair market value of your property and improve the quality of our database. It is imperative all the information you provide is accurate. Please note that you must indicate whether the property is insured. Further down, you must also indicate the type of home, its condition, the number of stories, the quality of the build, and the siding and foundation types. You are encouraged to provide additional information about the roofing, heating and cooling, type of flooring, and other details about the property. If there are multiple structures on the property, click the Add Building button. There is also a box to provide any additional details about the property not covered above. On the next page, you have the option to provide supporting documents. These may include a recent appraisal, dated photographs, a builder's contract, or insurance. There is a maximum of 5 files per message, and they may not exceed 20 megabytes apiece. Once you have uploaded the documents, you may proceed to the review page. Please review all of the information on this page carefully for any errors. Once you click the Submit button, you will not be able to go back and fix any errors. Once you have reviewed all of the information and ensured its accuracy, you may submit your appeal. Once your appeal is successfully filed, this message will pop up on your screen. You may monitor the status of your appeal at any time by logging in and viewing the My Appeals page. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to submit an online appeal.